my brother with his rad bike. He's using his GPS on his phone right now. He rode all the way here to see us.
Yeah. Yeah, how about it?
Oops, I almost fell. Wow! See you later! See you next month! Be careful!
Wow. Holy crap!
There's Tosh. Say hi, Leah.
What?
Hi, Leah.
Selling a weight.
So this is where we're staying.
Yeah, that's what I had to do on the Cadillac. I had to go all the way up underneath it. I'm like, are you serious? I YouTubed it. I'm like, how do you get into these things? And then you got to remove the underneath. I'm like, are you serious? And on the back Cadillac, you got to take
What's the barn for?
I'll be hay story.
Hay?
Hey, yeah, that'll hold it. Yep. Yeah.
So you're going up to New York for the summer?
Wow.
Here comes the baby. What are they?
Black Angus.
Black Angus.
That back there is a black and white head.
Well, you're big. So this is how they feed the steer. That's my niece, Tasha. Where's the dryer at? Right there?
Little calves, pepper calves.
Oh, aren't they cute? And this is the...
Bull. These are Red Angus bull.
How old is he?
He's 3.
Yeah, they were bottom fed.
So this is the bull, and he weighs 2,100 pounds. He's 3 years old.
I haven't done that.
So what do we have here?
Those are all our steers. Well, our steers. The other ones are one side.
Coffee?
Got your cornmeal, huh?
I guess we got pigs down here, huh? Wilbur!
How are you?
Hey, Parker.
You know, it's nice to see them nice and clean compared to some farms where they're just
Well,
in...
some parts you only see their ears. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
You want to go up and help me?
Well, that's the squeeze that we use to check the health of our animals. Those heifers are cleaning up their food. Oh, they're still... Oh my God.
Okay, so we're going to the machine shed. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I've never seen so much equipment. Look at this John Deere. Now that's a big tractor. Look at that. I bet you that is air conditioning, stereo. Oh boy. How many you got like that?
That's the biggest one we have.
They're so big I can't even get them on camera. Where's the corn planter?
The blue one. Puma.
Where's the Puma
It's
at?
the red one that they're in right now.
So we're gonna go look at a Puma.
Puma.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Case, but it's all.
Leah's up there driving the tractor.
That's good fun when we don't go nowhere.
That's incredible. Farming can be a dangerous job.
What was that?
Here's this little tractor.
Make one of the big ones, huh?
There's like 7 something.
Cool. What's that back there?
That's hooked to the tractor?
Yeah.
That's the sprayer. Ryan uses it to spray all of his crops. That's our corn head and our grain head.
It goes on the combine.
And this is your baler.
Yep.
Oh, look at this old tractor here.
Where?
Oliver.
That's an Oliver.
What?
I was looking at this morning.
We're gonna go back this way, Leah.
Oh.
Oh, here's a scale. Go ahead, honey. When he gets off, get on. Dryer, right?
The GSI.
And then here you get the view of that barn they're putting up for hay.
No way.
Ryan's truck.
Then we put Toyos on it because they had mixture on it.
Wait, what a dirty dog. You're gonna have to check him for ticks.
Yeah. Now I'm like, no, it's a foghorn.
Thank you for watching.
And give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Also, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And share it with your friends and family.
Make sure you ring that bell so you get a notification.
Catch you on the road.
Bye.